Hi, I'm Steve Bowers. I'm a longtime resident of the city of Jackson, and I've been asked to explain as simply as possible what's been happening with education funding in Jackson-Madison County. We're going to take a look at three local sources of revenue that started when the system consolidated effectively in 1990 to show where we were in 1990 and where we are today, and then what's happened in the transition. Each of these squares represents $1 million. The city had its local option that it had designated for schools that it surrendered as a donation to this system of $4 million. The county property tax that year would generate $6 million for the school system, and this is earmarked locally generated sales tax of $9 million that went to the school system, and this was the total of the local funding for the consolidated system its first year in 1990. To understand the difference from where we started in 1990 and where we are today, let's go back to 2004, which puts us about halfway between those 2 points. In 2004, the city's donation to the school system had grown from $4 million to $9 million. The county property tax share designated for education had grown from $6 million to $15 million. And the earmarked locally generated sales tax had grown to $20 million. That's in 2004. In examining these transitions, this is where we end up. The local city donation gift to the school system has grown to $12 million. The earmarked generated sales tax has grown to $26 million. And during these intervening years, over this last decade, this is what's happened to the county property tax as designated for local education. It's gone back to the level of 1990.